We'll guide you through how to set an alarm on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. An alarm is really useful to have set because you can go and have it to go and wake you up at a certain time or to go and remind you to do something. For example, go to school, go to work, whatever you want. And this is actually built in to the Android. It comes with the app that we can go and do this with. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip anything, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So without any other further ado, let's get started. What you need to do is go and swipe up like so, and you need to go and press search at the top, or you can swipe across here. We're looking for an app called Clock, so you can go and search if you need it at the top and open it up. Now this is going to be here. Come to the bottom left and make sure you press alarm. Then go to the top right and find the plus, and you can tap there. Now you can go and choose the time you want the alarm to go off. Let's say it was 8. You can then go and choose for when. So if you wanted to go every day, you could go and select it like so. Or you could just go and have it for a certain day. Give it a name if you wish. Choose the sound. You can tap there to change it and have it switched on. Choose the vibration, have that switched on. And you can choose the snooze, which basically means it will go off again after 5 minutes, 3 times. And you can choose the background as well. Then you can go and press save. And that's it. It's currently switched on.